Hey everyone, welcome back to MATIC Crypto. Today we're going to look at Polygon, aka MATIC, aka Happy Friday. Today's video, we're going to look at the daily chart and the weekly chart, give you some price targets for MATIC and maybe some good entry points, what we're looking for support, all that good stuff. So if you like the video today, give us a thumbs up, follow us on Twitter, Telegram, and Patreon below. So we're going to kick it off on the daily chart here. Look at support going all the way back to April 2021. Earlier this year, it came back down in July. A lot of coins capitulated back in July. We hit right on that point again on this touch point, actually forming this touch point, this lower trend line, right? And then we came back down again and again. So the more touch points you have, the more solid the trend line. So this is a pretty great level. If we come back down again and we get rejected from our all-time high way up here, I don't know if we come all the way back down, but if we do, watch for that. Watch for this level, right? You can extend that out no matter when we come back down, or if we do, right? We could get ready to break out, right? We don't have to come all the way back down here. You don't have to play ping pong. You can get up to the top and then just hold it for, when you come back down, maybe just hold it a little bit. Ethereum's a good example of this. Harmony One did that as well. A lot of coins, once they're up to these all-time high levels, they just kind of break on the door a few times and then they can hopefully break through. Now, yesterday we had a heck of a move. Over 21% daily candle is nice. However, we are having a little bit of a pullback today, which is healthy, right? You don't want to continuously print green candles. Although it's nice at the time, right? You're likely going to have a more substantial pullback. Just go take a look at Shiba Inu. That thing went parabolic, and we're having a little bit of a correction now. So this is healthy, no big deal. If we come down a little further than we are now, a good level of support would be kind of these previous locals right here. And we also had kind of an indecision candle right back in just a couple days ago. So that would be a great entry point if we make it back down to there. I'm not super convinced we're going to. $1.80 to $1.76, $1.75-ish. That would be kind of probably the all aboard boarding call. For me, if we come back down there over the next handful of days. However, we could print another massive 10-20% tomorrow. Now, let me remove this first. And even with this pullback, we're still, as of today, right now, we are still 35%-ish away, 35-36% away from all-time highs. That's 35. We have 35% until the party even gets started for MATIC. When you break all-time highs, that's when the parties can begin. So this is a nice formation. Once we do that, our all-time highs back up in here around 270, right? So if we break that, then we're looking to get more bullish. Why? Why is that the thing? Well, go look at history on any coin. When you break all-time highs, that's when prices tend to explode. So look at this top, our initial top. Rejection here again. We played around with it a little bit more, right? Consolidation for a while, bang on the door, and then you break through, and then the party starts, right? So now that's kind of, we want to rinse and repeat this similar kind of pattern. If you zoom in here, you can see something very similar, right? A mini version of where we are now, like a peak. Then you just kind of work your way up, kind of knock on the door a couple times, and then you can break through. You back test as support, and then lift off. So that's what I would like to do again. Get it back to here. Something can draw kind of maybe we come up over the next handful of days and just spend some time up in here, knock on the door, break through, maybe come back and back test. And then the big move, explosive move could be on the way. I'm not saying we're going to these prices because we're on a log scale, but linear scale, I think MATIC certainly has the chance to get to $10 this bull run, which would be 5x, kind of where we are now. I think we could certainly maybe go, if everything like a perfect world, maybe 15 to 20-ish, right? But MATIC's already done, a considerable move earlier this year. So I'm bullish on MATIC. I have a lot of MATIC, so I think we're going to see some good things out of it. But that is my 2 cents. Let's go look at a chart. Same chart, right? Same level. You might be wondering what the hell this is. I'll get to that in just a moment. But same thing, but on a weekly scale, right? Look at our consolidation here. This is what you want to see in a coin. Consolidation, which I think we are in a bigger macro level consolidation after our big moves up, right? Big moves up. You have to have some consolidation to remain healthy. So this is great. Uptrend, like we said, from back in April. touch point here from July, considerably, just a nice, solid floor level, and now we're going up. So all the red today, what, we're down 9% or 6% or something like that, but it's varying. But look at the wick; it's not much, right? The more you zoom out, the more peaceful everything looks. So if it takes another several weeks, who cares, right? So I'm just estimating a breakout here. Now, how did I get this? I'm glad you asked. Let's take this, right? First of all, let's look at the top. Where is that? That's around $5. So that would be the target to happen in a relatively short amount of time. Once we break this, that move is, let's look at it. It's about 80%, roughly 80% takes us to roughly $5. Over $2 move, explosive move could happen. Something like this, right? If and whenever we break out of this formation. And how I got this, well, you just take it, if you're on a log scale, you take it from the top and the bottom of your wedge here. See that? You take that, and that will generally give you a rough estimate of where you could potentially break out to with another explosive move. So that's around $5. That would be pretty nice, right? That'd be a nice, nice gain from here for sure. From current prices today, we're looking at about 150%. That could happen maybe still this year, this quarter, Q4. We'll see, right? It depends on what Bitcoin does. Obviously, everything depends on what Bitcoin does. But maybe we, like as we just showed in the last one, right? We have a weekly candle. Maybe we do it. Maybe we do it next week, right? And just do this, and then we print another candle out like this, and then come back and test, and then lift off like that. Another option would be to spend some more time doing this, right? Maybe we come down and get rejected the first time, and then we come out and then break out later in the year towards the Christmas time, something like that. That would certainly be on the cards as well. Then you could, extend this line out. Maybe we come back and test it one final time. Maybe a lot of coins capitulate in December like they did last year. If you remember last year, we had a Christmas week, December 23rd. I vividly remember because everyone was pretty pissed, myself included. 2 days before Christmas, you're gonna go down this much? Thanks. But that was the end, right? So I don't know if we're going to get that again, or if we're just going to break out and have a happy Thanksgiving and a Christmas this year, and maybe not piss everybody off right before Christmas. But those are my two scenarios. So I would say we're going to get real bullish in the next, couple weeks on alts as a whole. Certainly MATIC would be involved in that. Green and super green, something like that. I think the odds are maybe just a little more time. This would be more healthy if we did something like this and break out towards the end of the year. And then, alts could have a super, start to Q1 or something like that. So that'd be my preference, but who cares what I want to happen? Obviously, crypto doesn't care. It doesn't know. But that's MATIC in a nutshell. My thoughts for MATIC this run. Crypto Fear and Greed Index, if you have watched my other videos, it is 70, right? Is that good or bad? Well, today we'll know tonight at close if it's good or bad, because so far we're flirting with resistance because it was support. 70 was support that we talked about it for weeks, right? So however we can get back into the mid 70s or something today, depends on what prices do. It's so far so good across the board. We're looking okay. So I would say if we get back in the 70s, we're okay, right? We broke back in, maybe just a little brief fake out. However, if prices tend to not do so well the rest of the day and we close in the 60s, we're probably going down across all of crypto, at least temporarily. So keep that in mind. Car of the day, Porsche Carrera GT supercar. Could probably be called a hypercar at this point. To me, in my book, it's just my opinion, but hypercars start at $1 million plus. Supercars, obviously the supercars are, maybe 100K plus, 100K to 1 million, maybe 250 to 1 million. You could do supercars. I don't know. Kind of depends on speed too, right? To me, this is I'm just blabbering. But Porsche Carrera GT is kind of a collector's item. These are going for over $1 million now. I doubt you're going to find one for under $1 million. Like one in good shape, low miles, probably you're looking at mil 5, even 2 million. Some of these go for 2 million. That's the front. There's the back. Engine in the back, as it should be for a supercar. And the racing wheels with the center lug. Pretty nice. Wide body from Porsche. This is all factory. Pretty cool cars. Quote of the day about Bitcoin. Even smart people don't get Bitcoin at first, so don't be too rough on your neighbors that don't have Bitcoin yet. They'll know. Educate them. We need all of the people. We need all the people. There's still people that watch VHS tapes, right? Hopefully it's not you. There's still people that, write checks. I get some of us have to write checks for some things, but I think I've written 2 or 3 checks in my entire life. I try not to ever do it. Right? Persuade me. I'll pay more. I'm not writing a damn check. There's still people. My point is, like, it's going to take a lot. It's a while, right? Onboarding process for crypto is going to take some time. However, the 100K Bitcoin level will wake the hell out of the world. 100K Bitcoin is psychologically just mind blowing, and it's going to wake up a lot of people. So be ready. You ain't seen nothing yet. If you're new to crypto, especially 2017 True Blow off top, those are spectacular. And if you haven't been around one of those, I really hope we get one. Remember to take profits on the way up. You don't want to live through a bear market like I did, holding your entire stack. I was the dumb money back then. A little bit smarter, educate myself through all the bear market, and we're all back. We're good now. So I want you to be good. Don't get left holding the smart money's bags. Don't do it. Follow me. If you're new, I'm trying to help you. That's why I made my whole channel, to help you lose less money than I did. Make less mistakes. Be happier throughout your rest of your financial life. Invest in yourself. Be smart. Don't be greedy. Don't be that guy. I'll help you with that. Follow me. Twitter, Telegram, Patreon. Peace out. Happy Friday. If you're watching this on Saturday, happy Saturday. Are you on the couch? Maybe you're on the couch. Maybe you're watching this on the phone at your kid's soccer game. Pay attention to the damn kid. Put me down and watch your kid. Maybe you're walking your dog and we pick up your dog's poop. I don't know. It'd be weird if you're walking your dog and he's pooping and you're watching me. That's a weird scenario. And that's how my brain works. We're going to cut it off before we get any more into my brain. All right. Happy weekend. Wherever you are, wherever you're watching, let me know where you're watching from. Who's got the farthest? Is there anybody from Saskatchewan or India watch me? Highly doubtful. All right, I'll stop it there. Happy weekend. Happy MATIC. Bye.